Not by might, nor by power, but my spirit, says the Lord. Zechariah 4:6.
Getting closer, let's get warmer, lose the tension, be together. I know how to treat you better. Make this moment unforgettable. With this, feelings undeniable. Moyo shajipa kwani na nafsi imekukubali. Nimekimbiza nyuki nile asali, oh Lord.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to jump right into the video and I'm going to be taking this hair by Sister Kenya. It's called Super Dread and this is how it looks. And I'm going to be taking one of the pieces and then start unraveling it so that it can have like a natural hair finish or muddy hair finish. And once I'm done, this is how the hair is going to look like. And then I'll take my anti-jackie color lacquer custard and then apply it on my hair. So the reason why I am applying the product on my hair is because I want to retain moisture. And every time I want to braid my hair or I'm braiding my hair, I always make sure that my hair is moisturized. You don't have to use the same product like the one I'm using. Any product that is moisturizing to your hair, you can go ahead and use it. So I'm going to be taking another piece and then start braiding the hair as you're seeing. And once that is done, I'm going to take the piece of hair that I had unraveled earlier and then start wrapping it around the hair that I'm braiding. So this is how the piece of hair that I had unraveled earlier looks like, and then I'll start wrapping it around the hair that I had braided. So when I'm wrapping the hair, I'll have to make sure that I wrap it 3 times from the roots before I start wrapping it officially. So that is the first one, and then the second one, and then the third one, and then I'll continue wrapping the hair around the hair that I have braided. I hope I'm making sense, guys, because this is very difficult for me to explain. So the technique here, guys, is to wrap the hair very closely. You don't want to leave spaces in between the hair that you're wrapping, okay? So I'll take another piece of the hair and continue wrapping until the hair that I had braided comes to an end. So once I'm done wrapping the hair, I'm going to secure the ends very well and then take my lighter, burn the ends just to prevent the hair from unraveling. So let's do this again. I'll start by applying the anti-jackie color lacquer custard on my hair, just for some moisture, and then I'll start braiding my hair. And as you can see, guys, I am not using a lot of force on my scalp because this type of hairstyle can be very painful, because I've seen people take medication just because of this hairstyle. So I didn't want to use a lot of force on my scalp. So once the braiding process is done, I'm going to take the piece of hair that I had unraveled earlier and then start wrapping it around the hair that I have braided. And the technique is to wrap the hair from the roots for like 3 times before you start wrapping it officially. Yeah, and also another technique is to wrap the hair very closely. Don't leave spaces in between the hair that you're wrapping. So once the hair that I'm wrapping comes to an end, I'll add another piece and then continue wrapping. And once I reach at the end of the hair that I'm wrapping, I'll secure the ends very well and then take my lighter, burn the ends, just to prevent the hair from unraveling. So it is as simple as that. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this video and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please make sure you follow me on Instagram, because that's where I'm mostly active. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, as much as I enjoyed doing my hair. So this entire hairstyle took me 5 hours, and also it took me 4 packets of the Ceres Super Dread. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you soon on my next video.